I have to start off by saying how proud we are of you for all the students who entered and for all the hard work you've done. And of course, having been a research teacher myself, I need to make sure the teachers and the parents get thanked because you two had so much to do with your student and how hard they worked. So we want to welcome you, and I have to say, while some other competitions had to cancel, we went virtual, and we're going to let everyone know about the great work you've done. So congratulations, and let's get started. I want to start off by introducing a little bit about the competition, our goals, why it was created, and why NSPC, in particular Dr. Brisman, was so forward-thinking in presenting this opportunity for students. So let's take a look at the goals and the opportunities that you have in this competition. We want to inspire. We always want to inspire. We want to get you out of the textbook and into being able to do your own work. We want to get your ideas and let you report on your ideas. You know, the great scientist Michael Faraday said, a scientist who holds up in the lab is no scientist at all. It is really important that you tell the public, tell others about the work you're doing. And sometimes as scientists, we don't do that. So we need to do more of it. So this competition really accomplishes that. We want to encourage you to pursue STEM. Stay the course. Science, technology, engineering, and math. 7 out of 10 new jobs in the United States are STEM. People who major in STEM, on average, earn $20,000 more a year than those who do not. And STEM jobs are increasing at a rate never seen before as compared to other jobs. So stay the course, stay in STEM, whether it's you become a physician or in health sciences or other STEM-related fields, we want you to stay the course and stay in STEM. We hope that this competition helps people understand that we're in the middle of a STEM crisis. The United States, for the first time ever, has looked predominantly internationally to fill the ranks, even among health science professionals, to make sure we have enough people for our companies, our hospitals, our health-related facilities. So that's my word of the day, think STEM, and let's go on. I want to introduce someone who, without him, we would not be doing this competition. So I want to introduce Dr. Michael Brisman. Dr. Brisman came to us 2 years ago, more than 2 years ago, and said, I want a platform for students to highlight their work in health sciences. And without him, this competition would not happen. So Dr. Brisman got his medical degree from Columbia College of Physicians and Surgeons, and then he completed a general surgery internship and neurological surgery residency at Mount Sinai. So some heavy-duty credentials. He serves as the co-medical director of the Long Island Gamma Knife Center at Mount Sinai. So Dr. Brisman and NSPC, which have locations throughout Long Island, have been really stepping forward to help kids understand more about the importance of health science. So we have a little award. Heavy, because it's glass. Dr. Brisman, I can't tell you enough how much we appreciate what you're doing for students all over Long Island. So we want you to have this. Come on in the picture.
Thank you.
Okay. So Dr. Brisman will be announcing some of the categories, but would you like to say a couple of words? Just say hello?
Sure.
Okay, well, let's trade places.
Sure. Well, thanks so much to everyone. I mean, I consider whatever me and my group has done as a very tiny component to increasing the enthusiasm for you and the work that you've done. And that includes the students, the families that support you, your teachers and advisors. You're the future, and we're very proud of you. And we know that we can look forward to great things from all of you. I think this competition is just the beginning of hopefully a lifetime excitement about science and how that can help us to learn about things and to help other people. And that's really the most important thing about all the advances in science and technology. The exciting part is that so much of it can be used to make people's lives better. And that compassion component is really the most important thing about your education and your education and endeavors in science. So anyway, I want to thank everyone for participating in this. I think, we had so many people participate, a lot of exciting, incredible work, and we're just grateful that we're able to do this. So thanks again.
So now, knowing students as I do, you're all sitting in your seats wherever you are, wanting to get the program started as far as the announcements. So just to let you know a couple of impressive statistics, we had 254 teams, and considering what we've all been through with school really being redefined this year, that's an amazing number, so we're very proud. And 37 high schools. So once again, we're very proud of you. Let's get started, though. Let's get to what we need to do. The first category is behavioral sciences. Projects entered into this category delve into the sciences of human actions. Researchers have performed studies in fields such as sociology, social and cultural anthropology, and the behavioral aspects of biology, economics, political science, and other fields of studies. And announcing the winners of that category will be Dr. Brisman.